ito po, suot na natin ang ating watch. Turn na po sa uniform namin. Duty na po ako. Bye! May bago akong watch. Thank you. Hi there! It's me, Vanessa. Good to see you and welcome to my YouTube world.
Vanessa? Vanessa? Vanessa!
Hello kabayan, mga habibis! Good to see you in my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I will share sa inyo po about sa na-order ko po, which is a watch. It's an Honor Band 5. So this is not an ordinary watch. Kasi if you're a techie person, this is a smartwatch. And if you're an athletic type person, this is also a fitness tracker watch. So we will be doing unboxing and review of this Honor Band 5. So let's see what's inside. I ordered this from Noon and ito po yung price niya. Yan. Buksan na natin. It comes with, syempre, meron tayong warranty card. Meron ding quick start guide. So, basa-basa din pag may time. And inside also is our smartwatch. Syempre. And it comes with the color of coral pink. So, may tatlo silang kulay. Pink, navy blue, and black. So, para girly tayo. And my favorite is pink. So, coral pink po yung kinuha ko. And also the charger. So, dahil bago is kailangan nating i-charge. Ilagay lang po, attach lang po natin yung charger sa likod. And let's try. Sabi dito is up to 14 days per battery charge. So, one full charge is maglalast ng 14 days. Yan. So, to start guys is, please search for Huawei Health on the App Store or Google Play or scan the QR code to download. So, kailangan natin i-download yung application guys para ma-connect natin yung ating phone at ang ating watch via Bluetooth para kung merong mga calls, smart notification, may mga calls, messages, SMS, email, SNS notification, we can reject call. So, makikita natin sa ating watch. Okay? Ito na po, na-connect na natin. Pwede natin kunin tong cellophane na ito. Yan. It comes with large Amoles screen display. So, colorful niya guys. Ang colorful. Yan. Oh, it's Tagalog. Bilis ng tibok ng puso. The sleep. So, guys, this one is, it can measure the steps. Kung ilang steps. Yung heart rate monitor, guys. Sleep also. Sleep monitor with sleep stages. Workout. Higit pa. Settings. Higit pa is settings and mga mensahe. If you will receive messages. So, napaka-colorful ng screen niya, guys. It has a touchscreen. Touchscreen displays. And napaka-colorful coded text. And Yan. You can answer your calls here also. Yan. Yan sa steps. Hakbang, ilang calorie at ilang kilometer. Yan. So, workout guys, ito, mamonitor niya yung running, walking, bike, kahit sa swimming guys, swimming, cycling, running. This is also water resistant guys. So, kahit pawis tayo ng kakatakbo or swimming, so hindi to masisira kasi it's water resistant. Yan. Pindutin nyo lang, running. Yan. And start. Yan. Kailangan na nakapasok sa ating kamay. Scan natin. Oh, kailangan ng internet. Yan, na-scan na natin. Yan po, Huawei Health. So, let's download the app. Yan. Wait lang natin guys na ma-download. Open. Okay. Allow all. And you read this guys and agree. We need an email. Enter your email and your password. And log in. Correct password pa. Oh. Register pala. Register. Kailangan mo pong mag-register guys. April 12, 1988. Saan na tayo? Country. I'm in UAE kasi. Yan. So, you will receive a verification code. So, enter lang natin 213. And make a password. Enter your nickname. Take photo. Wala. No. From album. Selfie natin dyan. Yan. Female. Agree. Yan, kailangan lang natin i-fill up guys. Marami. So, let's go. Let's start. Active. Yan guys. Makikita na natin dito. Kung choose lang po kung anong gusto nyong makita nyo sa watch nyo. Yung active energy, heart rate, height, resting heart rate, sleep analysis, ilan steps per day yung lakad nyo, walking and running distance, weight. Yan po. Allow. Agree. Open the Bluetooth. So, i-add na natin. Yan. Scan, add. Smartband. Yan. Ito pala. Honor bands. Click lang natin. Pairing. Yan, na-pair na guys. Just pair your Bluetooth. Allow. Hi, sorry guys kasi pinag-aaralan ko pa. Later. Auto download update package over Wi-Fi. Done. And for accurate heart rate measurement, please tighten the band and keep it at the least 1 finger width. Okay. Ayan guys. So connected na po. Para sa heart rate, kailangan po nating suotin. Yan, pagkasuot ko is agad siyang nag-recognize ng aking heart rate. So I have this 84 beat per minute. It will check your kung ilang minutes ka na deep sleep or light sleep. Yan. Exercise record. So weight din natin. And sa exercise, filter outdoor, run, walk, and cycle. So,
workout started.
Yan. So, makikita yung kilometer, duration, yung location mo din via GPS, and your heart rate. Yan.
Workout paused.
So guys, ito po, suot na natin ang ating watch. So turn na po sa uniform namin. So this one guys has a watch face setting. So pag ganyan, it's closed. Pero pag titignan, ihaharap ko sa face ko, like that, it will on guys. Yan, naka-on. Close. And when it faces me, so naka-on siya. So, pag titingin tayo is, yan, nag-on siya. Standby mode, and when titingin tayo, naka-on. So, guys, this device is designed for not for medical device. So, it can measure our heart rate, our auto saturation, but it will not treat, cure any disease. So, the data and the measurement is only for our personal reference. Okay? So guys, thank you for watching. Bye! Duty na po ako. Bye! May bago akong watch. Thank you.